this is Suzanne for Rainbow Loom. Today I'll be showing you how to make the rose garden bracelet. This is an intermediate level design. To make this bracelet you will need 10 A colored bands, 40 B colored bands, 24 C colored bands, and a C-clip. It's a good idea to have your supplies ready before you begin, so pause the video here until you're ready to follow along. Now, let's get started. Place your loom with the red arrow pointing away from you. Refer to the graphic on your screen to place the first 6 bands on the loom. We'll start from the center pin, and we'll start with an A colored band. We'll place one A, like that. Then at the end of that one, we'll place 2B going out to the left, 3C up the center, and 4B out to the right. We'll continue with 5C, and 6C. Seven B will stretch from this pin to this one. So we stretch that one between those 2 pins. And then 8B is next. And then 9B. It's important that we place all of these bands in order because when we go to loop, we'll need them in that order. We'll do that one more time. 1A, 2B, 3C, 4B, 5C, 6C, 7B, 8B, and 9B. We'll fast forward from here. Refer to the diagram on your screen until you reach the end of the loom. And once you've placed all these bands on the loom, we'll place a cap band on this last pin. Use an A colored cap band, place 2 fingers through each side, twist it into a figure 8, turn it back upon itself, and place it on that last pin. Now we're ready to start looping the bands. Turn the loom so that the red arrow is pointing toward you. Refer to the graphic on your screen as we loop the first 9 bands. We'll start from the center pin, pull the cap band back, reach in, grab that top band, hold your cap band back, and you will loop band 1B. 2B will be looped forward. It's the next B band down in there. Hold your cap band down and loop that one forward. 3B will be looped next. Pull back the cap band, hold it down with your thumb, then grab the B band up and loop it to the outside pin. You can see that our 2B just popped off. We just looped that back and push that down. Next we'll loop 4C. We pull all these bands back, grab the top C colored band in there, pull that out to the side. You can tell from that teardrop shape that you've grabbed the right one and looped it. 5C goes out to the right, Pull these bands back. It should be the next C-colored band on that pin. You grab it and loop it out to the right. 6C will be looped forward. You pull that back, grab the C band, and pull it forward. 7B, pull all the bands above that back, grab it, loop it to the center. 8B, you'll pull these back, grab that, and pull it to the center. 9A, pull these bands back, and loop the A-colored band forward. We'll repeat the looping process one more time. 1B, 2B, 3B, 4C, 5C, 6C, 7B, 8B, 9A. We'll fast forward from here until we reach the end of the loom. For this bracelet, we're making 2 chains and we're attaching them together. So we'll use our hook and place it through the last pin. Get all the bands up on our hook, and then we remove the bracelet from the loom, but we will leave it on the hook. This is what it will look like when you pull it off the loom. We're going to set all of this aside. And we'll start all over again. You'll place your loom with the red arrow pointing away from you. And we'll do just as we did before and place the first 9 bands. We start with 1A, 2B, 3C, 4B, 5C, 6C, then we'll stretch 7B like that, 8B, and then we'll stretch 9B. We'll continue this pattern again, so please refer to the diagram on your screen as we do this. We'll fast forward from here. And there we finish placing the last bands. Now we're ready to start looping the bands again. Turn the loom so that the red arrow is pointing toward you. And before we start, we're going to get our hook and our bracelet. Pull the hook away, slide your fingers in there. Then you're going to pull those bands over the bottom 3 pins so that it forms a triangle. Now you're ready to start looping. We'll start from this pin and we'll loop 1B. So you grab that top B colored band with your hook and pull it forward. Then we'll loop 2B. That's the next B colored band, and you pull that forward. Then 3B, and you loop that. 4C, you reach in there, grab that and pull that out to the left. 5C, out to the right. 6C, loop that forward. 7B, pull these bands back. 8B, and then 9A. Pull all those bands back and pull the A colored band forward. We'll fast forward from here till the end of the loom. Refer to the diagram on your screen until you reach the end of the loom. And there we finished looping all the bands. Now we're ready to finish the bracelet. You'll slide your hook through that center channel, tilt it out to the side, place an A colored band on the end of your hook, pull it up through, slide both bands over your hook, pull it up to the thickest part, and lift it from the loom. Once this bracelet is completed as we showed you, it should fit a child's wrist comfortably. So all you'll need to do on this one is attach your C-clip. So you pull your hook away, put your 2 fingers through there, attach your C-clip on the end, and then on your other end you'll have your cap band. You can place 2 fingers through that and then snap the other end of your C-clip over that. So there we've finished our rose garden bracelet.